colorful. Hello, thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tomorrow is my birthday. Oh, tomorrow. Happy birthday for tomorrow. Da, 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 da. What time now? It's 6:54. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, Big Ol and Anday. Janice, maybe you're just leaving now. Jan, thank you. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Yes, you can push the link, guys, to subscribe to me. And where are you from? Where are you at? I'm from Philippines. Thank you for joining. Yes, I got 14 subscribers. Gibbs is the hardest working moderator. I'm so happy. Tonight is my first time here. I love your energy. I will be back later. I have to make dinner. Come to USA. Oh, come to USA. Chair Christian, how's is life treating you now? How's life? It's good. Yeah. Thank you so much for the blue team. Thank you so much. Thank you. For the blue team, thank you so much. I got 10,000 subscriber. Yes, yesterday, I'm very happy. I received 4 pink color. Pink color, pink color. I said, Kuya Gibbs, they are not afford daw. Yeah. Because you should have been on a Matit stream a couple days ago. It was a while. I have to go in person or some people. Yeah. Matit maybe is a late to live streaming. Matit is maybe is 8 or 9. Yeah, she's posting na about the, collaboration with like Ambush interview. As Ambush interview. She told me about that. See that India dropped na siya to 160. That's crazy. Yeah, it's not good. Thank you so much, guys. I got the 14 viewers now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.